Hello everybody, my name is Kendall Clark, and today I will be going into detail about Google Analytics and how it relates to YouTube and building your business. Alright, so what we will be going over is why it's so important to be on YouTube as a business. We're going to go over some functions of the analytics program in YouTube. So we're going to go over fan analysis, visibility analysis, engagement analysis, post analysis, and then we're going to review the key takeaways of this presentation. Now this video is geared towards business owners. So whether you have considered making a YouTube channel before, whether you have one already and you're not really sure how to optimize search functions, optimize viewers, engagement, all those things that you need to build your YouTube channel, that's what we're going to go over today. So all these business owners, I need you guys to listen up because this is information that you will need in order to grow your business by utilizing YouTube's analytics functions. Okay, so before we even get into the analytics of YouTube, in case you still need some convincing, this is why you need to be on YouTube. This is why businesses need to have a presence on YouTube. First of all, YouTube is ranked second biggest social media platform out of all the social media platforms. This is huge. YouTube has over 2 billion users. That means that many users that you could be reaching, you could be marketing to for your business. Another reason is to create a relationship with a customer. YouTube is a great platform for creating a relationship by coming out with regular videos relating to your product. And we'll get into a few more things that you can do with that in a minute. Another great thing about it is it can drive organic website traffic. So having a YouTube channel means that you're almost utilizing YouTube's fame and YouTube's success to pull those users that are on YouTube over to your website. So by adding your website's link to all your posts and putting it on your page, that will bring customers from YouTube onto your website. They're already online, they're already on their browser. So by putting your link in YouTube, you're automatically driving organic traffic to your website from YouTube. And then of course functionality. For so many businesses, having a YouTube channel allows you to do demonstrations. So for example, if you have technology, if your product is technology and you are trying to show people how to use it, you can post videos and show people how to use it. People love those videos. You can do unwrapping, so you can have people opening up a box and showing what the product is, what the product has within the box. Another thing is customer testimonials. This is a great functionality of YouTube videos, so you can actually have customers send you guys videos of their reaction to the product or their reaction to the service, and they can tell the viewers themselves how great your product is. So basically you're getting free advertising on your own page, and all you have to do is create the account and post the videos. Alright, so for the sake of showing you guys the analytics of YouTube, I'm going to be using my own personal YouTube account to show you guys all the functions that it allows us to tap into. So this first example, this is not taken from my own account. I'll get into mine in a second, but this is a great example of what a fan analysis is within YouTube's analytics. So fan analysis, we're able to see the demographics, who's watching your videos, and who's interested in your product. So if you look at the image, we have a list of the countries that the viewers are from. So this can really help you narrow down your target market. If you have a lot of people from European countries watching your videos, that might tell you something about what kind of products you want to come out with and what kind of topics you want to discuss on your YouTube channel. And then of course we have female, male. That's very important. So basically what we're doing here is you're able to see what type of people are watching your videos, and if you're putting your business's name with those videos and you're talking about topics that relate to your business. So for example, if you are a clothing company and you're talking about fashion and it's women's clothing, so you're talking about women's fashion, women's hair, things like this on your channel, and you're getting great reviews from females, and then a lot of your females are between the ages of 18 to 24. This can help you narrow down your target market. Okay, now you know that those are the types of people that are searching for these videos on YouTube. So if those are the types of people that are looking for fashion and the specific fashion that you're selling, then you need to sell more of those products on your website. So it actually helps you curate your target market even more so than it would by just doing your own outside research. So here's some more on fan analysis taken directly from my own YouTube account. So this is what you're able to access within the analytics program. So if you look at the image above, my views are 100% from the United States. So this tells me that I'm staying pretty local here. I haven't reached that global level yet. And then if you look at the image below, it has all the ages. So it actually would tell you every single view and related to their age. So mine has dashes. What this tells me is that the people that are watching my videos may not have an account. So they may be watching on their browser without creating their own YouTube channel or logging in, which is fine. But of course that does tell me that I need to keep stepping up my game because I want those people that already have accounts that are going to be able to subscribe. So you aren't able to subscribe if you don't have an account. So that's what that tells me. That's why I showed you that picture before, to actually see that data. But if I did have people that were subscribed that had the data and their ages, then it would list right here. So I'd be able to see, okay, so a lot of my viewers are 13, 17, so I need to start coming out with videos that are targeted towards them, and that can help you in that way. So within YouTube, you can actually do your visibility analysis as well. So the visibility analysis is going to tell us how visible our posts are. So how many times are people seeing our posts? Whether or not they're engaging with them, we'll get into that in a minute. But right now we're just focusing on how many times they see our videos, how many times they come across them. So this is another great way to gauge your success, because if your business is searchable, then it will most likely be searched on YouTube, and if it's searched on YouTube, you'll know based off of these stats. So if you look to the picture on the left, this just tells me from my page that my views were up, and it tells me how many views I got. So just focusing on views, we're not looking at likes, we're not looking at comments and nothing like that, but just focusing on views, we can actually see a timeline of views, and we can actually track it from as far back as we want to go. But this just shows us, I believe this is about a month's worth of views, and we can see how our success rate is going. So right here we see that we peaked, and we can actually gauge that. And then this image to your right, this actually shows us where people are coming, so the traffic sources. So by that we mean that how are people getting to this video? Are they coming from an external place? So an external place could be social media such as Instagram, Facebook, a blog that had posted the URL, things such as that nature. Suggested videos, so that column you see on the side of your YouTube page, that's suggested videos. Browse feature, which is when you first get on and there's tons of videos that they have provided for you. And then the top one, YouTube search, so that's where you really want to hone in on. You want people searching your brand. So that's where that comes into place. So the engagement analysis. This is arguably one of the most important analytics analyses that you can do. So what I have here is a list of all the dates and the amount of views I received on those dates, the amount of watch time in hours that I've seen, and then the average view duration. So this is exactly what engagement is all about. So we see that they viewed it, that's great, but this actually tells you how long did they watch it for. So if they view it and they only watch it for 10 seconds and then they click off of it, that doesn't tell you very much, and that's honestly not very successful of a video. So you want people on your video and you want them watching a longer length of it. So this might be able to tell you, okay, I need to make a more interesting beginning because my beginning isn't drawing them and isn't grabbing them to make them watch the full video. So that's just something to keep in mind. And then more on engagement, there's actually a whole engagement tab that you can go on, and this has my top videos listed, and it has the video end screens as well. So there is a function within YouTube where you can add an end screen that will have either a subscribe icon that they can click on and they'll subscribe automatically, or it can suggest another video of yours that you want them to navigate to. And this is actually telling me how much engagement I receive from those. So as you can see, my Halloween post received 1 end screen element click, so within the last 28 days. So I do need to step up my game, but that just shows you the amount of engagement that I'm receiving on those end screen elements. How successful are they? Should I be using a different video suggestion at the end that might be a little bit more successful? Alright, and then when we look at post analysis, we're looking at how each individual post fared. So YouTube actually allows you to access their rank of your most popular video to your least popular video. So this can also help you decide, okay, if I did a video that was advertising our new line of bathing suits and it did really well, that might tell you, okay, so this is a success, so let's keep selling those bathing suits, let's make some more designs, things of that nature. So if you look at my example, my Halloween costume video is my most successful video. In the last 28 days, it's received 221 views, which is significant considering that it's not near that Halloween time. That's something to think about. So there is a group of people that are still interested in makeup and vampire makeup and costumes, even all the way into the spring. So that might help me kind of narrow down my target market. And then it goes from there, so I can see all my top ranked videos. Another way to look at your post analysis, we have our video analytics. So this tells me exactly how many views I received on the video, and I'm using that most popular video that I showed you right here. So I took this video, and you can actually go into detail on each video. So for the vampire video, I received 1.8 thousand views since I posted it. The watch time I've received on it is 67.1 hours, and I've gained 8 subscribers from this video. So it even tells you how many subscribers you raised from that specific video. So that allows you to analyze which post was the most successful, which one you might need to do some work on or do less on that topic. It kind of helps you narrow it down. Alright, and some key takeaways that I want you to leave you guys with. YouTube can help you identify your target market. This is one of the main things that YouTube can do for you. YouTube can help you build a relationship with the consumer. YouTube can bring traffic to your website, which is what we always want, right? We always want people coming from any outside source to our website. We want to bring them to the website so that we can make the sales. And then YouTube has a well-developed analytics program. I've shown you guys just a glimpse of what the analytics on YouTube have to offer. There's so much you can do with the analytics, and there's so much you can pull from them to improve your marketing. So, in conclusion, go make an account today. It's free. You won't regret it. It can only improve your business. It can only improve your sales, okay? So go make an account today. If you're interested, here are my sources for this video. Other than that, thank you for listening, and have a great day.